Are you tired of seeing days like this in the stock market where the market simply breaks below the VWAP and never comes back and test it? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the anchored VWAP to find more trading opportunities. Today was a bloodbath in the market. As we can see, the S&P 500 was down 2.64%. Ever since the market opened, we never seen price coming back towards the VWAP. So if you're a VWAP trader looking for reactions near the VWAP, we simply did not get one. If we scroll back and we look on a 5-minute chart, we can see all the way right here from 8:30 in the morning all the way down to the closing bell, we never came back up and tested VWAP. So if you like to see when the market comes back towards VWAP, play the rejection from it, where was the trading opportunity today? There simply was none. And this is why I think it's very important to go ahead and introduce the anchored VWAP. Now, real quick, the difference is going to be the normal VWAP is going to start right here at the session open and go all the way until 5 p.m. in the futures markets. In the stock market, the VWAP will start at 9:30 in the morning and go till 4 o'clock in the afternoon. But let's go ahead and take today as an example, as it's the freshest example that we currently have. And what I want to do is I want to look for significant areas on the chart. Can we find any other trading opportunities? Well, one thing I like to do is I really like to stalk out the plays on the 1-minute chart. And here's what we're going to go ahead and do. I want to look for significant swing points in the market. And from that point on, I want to go ahead and use a tool called the Anchor VWAP. So I'm going to come right up here and click on this thing. Now, what I want to do is once I click on that icon, all I have to do is click at any point in the chart and it'll start plotting an anchored VWAP. So for instance, if I see this as a significant turning point in the market, which I do, I can simply click right there and now we have an anchored VWAP on the chart. Now, if we zoom this up, were there any trading opportunities around this area? And I think now you can start to see it highlighted out. Right here, we simply sliced right through it. We came back down, but look right as we came back up towards the anchor VWAP here. We have a wick there. We have a doji candle. We have another wick. So at that point, as we start coming back down below that shooting star candle, look what we can do here. We can simply wait for the market to break that candle, look for a selling opportunity, put in our stop right above that candle, and try to continue to ride the momentum lower. Now, there are multiple places on this chart that we can actually use the anchor VWAP indicator. I'm going to clear it off. I want to look for significant swing points where the market's had a sharp move, not where we just keep grinding down like this. So if we simply scroll forward here just a little bit, where do we see any other significant areas on the chart? Well, for one, I can go ahead and plot one right there, and we can see that we got above the anchor VWAP. You could have looked to play some bounces, maybe looking for a return back to VWAP before ultimately failing. But then look what else we have. If we go ahead and we pull it right up here to this significant area on the chart, look what we have as we continue to plot it. We came back down below the VWAP here, came right up here. We get a nice kiss off the VWAP. And then what does the market do? Continues to drop lower. And I want to show you guys, this is not a very measly little drop. From that low of that candle all the way down to the low, that is 56 S&P points, just over 0.75%. Now, the anchor VWAP can be used on an intraday basis, like I just showed you on this chart, but we can also come over here and use it on a higher time frame. For instance, if we come over and look at this SPY, the ETF real quick, we can go ahead and draw an anchor VWAP from a couple places on this chart. What I want to do again, I want to go ahead and grab the anchor VWAP. Right down here from the low makes logical sense. And notice we are miles and miles away from that anchored VWAP. We can actually see the anchored VWAP is very close towards the 38% retracement, which could provide a very logical target location in the future. We can also grab another anchor VWAP, and right here where this consolidation is, drop it right there from the low of that candle to where we're at. And look at where the market dropped to today, right down towards the anchored VWAP. We can also draw another anchor VWAP from the swing point right here, building a cluster of anchored VWAPs. And you can see now we started to violate that first one right there. So what does this tell us? Well, as we come down towards the second VWAP, do we simply get a reaction in the market? Keep in mind, just because we're at VWAP is not going to be enough to go ahead and take a trade. What we want to see from that point on, we want to see some type of rejection. That can come in the form of maybe the market comes down on Monday, forms a hammer candle, and then we start to break above the top of that candle, looking for the market to go ahead and resume on the way up. We can also use the anchored VWAP as target locations. So if you were looking to short the market up here, target one could have been the first anchor VWAP, target number two, second anchor VWAP, and target number three, all the way down there for the third anchored VWAP. So regardless if you want to use this on a daily chart or an intraday basis, it has practical applications. And just to show you guys, today was not a one-off event. Let's go back and look at another day as well. Now, if you guys ever join me on the live stream, you guys know I love to trade the NASDAQ. So I want to show you guys, this also works on the NASDAQ. Now let's pause for a moment. I want to let everybody know you can go to propfirmmike.com, find the best prop firms that suit your needs. For instance, right now you can get a Lucid 50K account for only $70. So if price is very important to you, Lucid Flex account may be the best deal. Simply use code Mike at checkout. Now, if you guys ever join me on the live stream, you guys know I love to trade the NASDAQ. So I want to show you guys, this also works on the NASDAQ. Now, in this example, here's where we have a VWAP, and this is on June 2nd. I just went and scrolled the chart back a little bit. You can see we get a valid test off the VWAP, and then the market runs on up. Well, if we went ahead and we missed the first initial VWAP test, would it make logical sense to also use the anchored VWAP and go ahead and start it at this significant area on the chart? And notice, what do we get? On this retracement back down, we come down, we basically overthrow the VWAP, we start coming right back above it, we get this bullish candle, and then we can look for another trading opportunity. We also right here get an interaction with the VWAP. We get another interaction with the anchored VWAP, and then we go right into the closing of the day. So again, regardless if you trade the S&P, you trade the NASDAQ or any other asset, the anchored VWAP should be a tool that you should pull out of your toolbox when you're trading the markets. Now, if you guys want to see two very simple VWAP trading strategies, then you want to make sure to watch this next video right here.